Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by Jay Khan. So friends, the latest update is coming from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited related to the written examination of recruitment of design and management trainee. So the friends, latest update is related to the examination because the written examination of this recruitment was supposed to be conducted in the month of April 2021, but due to the COVID-19, the examination was not conducted at that time. Was deferred. So friends, now the tentative dates has been declared on the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and the date in order to download your call letter for the written examination also declared on this official website. So friends, in this video we shall discuss in a very comprehensive manner when your examination will be conducted in the upcoming month of August 2021, and when will the call letter for recruitment will be declared on this Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. We shall discuss in this video. So friends, firstly you need to come on this official website in order to get the official notice from the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So you can see here from the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the written examination date has been updated here. So you can click on this link, and then after you need to click here to view. Then after friends, you can easily see here the revised dates of online written examination for the post of design trainee and management trainee. Tentatively, these dates are tentatively. If the call letter will be updated on 2nd of August 2021, it means your examination is supposed to be conducted on 12th and 30th of August 2021. So friends, approximately these dates are confirmed, but at this moment these dates are tentatively. You can make the perception in your mind that your examination is going to conduct on the 12th and 30th of August 2021, and your admit card for this written examination will be updated on the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on 2nd of August 2021 onwards. So all those candidates who have applied under this recruitment can download the call letter and can appear in the examination on 12th and 30th of August 2021. So friends, as soon as the link will be declared on the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited related to this recruitment, we shall discuss in the upcoming video in a very comprehensive that how to download your call letter for this particular recruitment. Thank you friends.